Hey, Paulissima here. Congratulations! You have now successfully completed the second chapter of our free Spanish for Beginners course at Spring Spanish. This means you're halfway through. This is your second milestone with us at Spring Spanish, so yes, you did it and you've done very well. You now know the most important basics in Spanish, which includes the alphabet, the vowels, the right pronunciation, the numbers, colors, days of the week, months of the year, how to tell the time, and when to use tú and when to use usted. Isn't that great? Are you ready to enter the next chapter of our free Spanish beginners course? What's waiting for you there, you might ask? Well, you will learn the basic of Spanish grammar, which include things like pronouns, gender nouns, articles. Just a hint, it's not tú like in English, it's a bit more complicated, but no te preocupes. And you will also learn about the difference between ser and estar. They both mean to be. And the way conjugations work in Español, in Spanish. If you like what you've learned and you want to continue learning more Spanish, perhaps you want to check out our free Spanish training, where you will discover the method that we use to have our students speaking fluent Spanish in no time, without nightmarish grammar rules or memorizing endless word lists. You will see how we do it if you check out our free Spanish training. We do this through a method called conversation-based chunking, which you have been secretly used throughout the videos that you have watched. You will learn more about this method if you follow the link in the description, where you can also get a free in-depth Spanish lesson that comes directly from the Spring Spanish Academy. ¿Estás listo para el capítulo 3? Are you ready for chapter 3? If you are, then empecemos!